Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart. If you're holding BNB on your hardware wallet and want to move it to an exchange for trading or other uses, this guide is perfect for you. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a key cryptocurrency used on the Binance ecosystem, and safely transferring it is crucial to avoid any losses. Before we start, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and your Bitmart account ready with a deposit address copied. Let's jump right in. First, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the BNB app on your Ledger. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the Manager tab in Ledger Live, search for BNB, and install it. Once that's done, open the BNB app on your Ledger device. Next, in Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your BNB account. Click on the Send button to initiate a transaction. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. That's the one from your Bitmart account. Double-check this address to make sure it's correct. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Now, review the transaction details on your Ledger screen. It will show you the amount, the address, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction by pressing the right button on your device. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Head over to Bitmart and check your deposit history. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the BNB to appear, depending on network congestion. A quick word on security. Always use a secure connection, never share your seed phrase, and verify addresses multiple times. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.